Hello Kabalay, another day, another real estate video. Kabalay here. Kabalay, are you still looking for a property in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite na ready for occupancy or lipat agad na may malaking promo discounts? No? Ito Kabalay, I'm now here at Cathy Place 5 to give you an house options, no? If you're looking to this a property within the area, malapit sa MCX, SLEX, yan, Daang Hari, Evia Mall, as in katabi lang to mismo ng Las Piñas along Marcos Alvarez. This can be your option, Kabalay. Yan. Tara, I'm so excited. Before we start our house tour, I'm Kabalay. Tayo po isang accredited at lisensyadong real estate practitioner dito sa Pilipinas. Kabalay, samahan niyo ako. Mag-house tour tayo dito sa ating corner lot here in Cathy Place 5, Bacoor, Cavite. So Kabalay, ito yung mismong car park, no? And open space ng ating i-picture ngayon na corner lot. So ito yung extra space. Ang ating lot area dito is 127. Floor area 118. So corner lot, ang orientation natin dito is malapit sa gate. Ayan po yung ating mismong entrance gate. And malapit din siya sa business hub na itatayo. So ito yung business hub or business center or what we call commercial area. Yan, may commercial area dito. So if you're looking for a this kind of unit na ready for occupancy, RFO, this is good for business if you wish. No, dahil malapit lang talaga siya sa gate mismo, Kabalay. Yan yung gate natin. No, orientation niya is morning sun, malapit sa gate, and malapit sa business center or commercial area. Ito po yung pinaka-orientation niya, Kabalay. Look, ang ganda talaga ng ating corner lot. 127 lot area, 118 floor area. Look, ang ganda ng orientation natin. Morning sun yung ating mismong ang location nito, ang orientation, and malapit sa business hub. This is under block 3, Kabalay. So, kaisa-isahin na natin yung feature ng property. Again, the same lang siya ng ating mga layout dito sa Cathy Place 5. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, complete fence turnover, free gate and fence ng kasama. Ready for occupancy, livable na ang community, may nakalipat na, no? Yan, Kabalay, pasukin natin. So, kasyang-kasya dito, dalawang sasakyan. If you wish magtatlo, pwede rin, 127 to, may extra space ka pa dito. Yan. So, ito yung ating car park. Ito yung ating available pa na space that we have here. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung side part. Tingnan natin. Yan. So, ito yung surface area natin. Yung first bathroom sa side na to. Yan, Kabalay, look ko. Ang laki pa talaga ng space ng corner lot na to. So, katalikuran lang ito ng isa sa mga corner lot that we have here na sa Block 3, Lot 1. Ito naman is nasa under Block 3, Lot 48. So, pasukin natin ito. So, ongoing pa rin construction ito. OT na lang at mag-100% na. So, we are here at the ground floor. So, same layout. Nandito yung ating sliding glass door. Then, dito yung main door natin, yung glass window natin, sliding window, and this one, sliding window. No, 3 sliding windows in the side na to. This is for the kitchen area. Yan, may hanging cabinets na kasama and this cabinet. Dito naman yung ating dining area ilalagay. And this is for the Kabalay living area. Now, we're going to the first bathroom. So, pagpasok ng first bathroom, and dito is ating sliding glass door. Yung first bathroom natin na dito, no? Okay? Then, of course, ito yung pinakagustong part, yung pinaka-sliding door going here sa ating lanay, no? So, pwede mo siyang gawing garden if you wish. Extension. Dahil laki pa ng space na to, Kabalay. Look, yan ang space na meron ka for corner lot. 127, ganda ng view. No, ang laki. 127 ang lot area. So, we're done sa ating ground floor, mga Kabalay. Yan, let's go naman sa ating mismo second floor. Yan, tiles na lahat dito, naka-ceramic tiles. Concrete yung ating Mismo hagdan. Pag-akyat mo sa hagdan, you're accessing the master's bedroom. Pasukin natin kabalay yung master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. Modern design, all glass. Meron tayo ditong sliding window. For this one, ito yung glass natin. Then, ito yung space ng master's bedroom. May kasama ng cabinet. And nandito sa side yung ating balcony. Yan kabalay. Should you wish na extend to, yan, for expansion later on. Yan. So, pasukin naman natin yung other rooms. So, now we're accessing towards the other room. So, sa left ko, nandito yung ating second bathroom. Yan. Mas malaki itong second bathroom na to kaysa doon sa first bathroom natin. As in, complete yung tiles niya hanggang sa ceiling. Going towards the next door, sa second bedroom. Pasukin natin. Ito yung ating second bedroom. Dalawang yung window. Yan kabalay. Space pa. Each bedroom, we have available modular cabinet sa kasama na. So, 2 sliding windows and yung ating provision for aircon. Now we're towards our third bedroom. Yan kabalay. So again, may cabinets na rin. So yung third bedroom natin, may bintana na rin. And easy provisions. These are third bedroom. So yan kabalay. We're done sa ating second floor ng ating corner lot. Master's bedroom, toilet, second bedroom, and then third bedroom. So, we're done here sa ating second floor. So again kabalay, naka-RF po to and we have promo here. Let's talk about the promo and the competitions ng unit natin. Okay? So dito tayo dadaan kasi may harang pa dun sa main entrance. Again, let's talk about the price. No? So ang discount natin dito kabalay is we have 779,000. Wow, napakalaki. 779,000 discount natin for this month of July if you wanted to avail our corner lot. Lot area niya is 127, floor area is 118. Orientation is corner lot. Malapit sa gate. Malapit din sa commercial area or business hub. And then morning sun kabalay itong ating mismong corner lot. Yan kabalay. So yan yung ating quick preview ng ating competition. Should you wish to know the full details ng ating sample competition ng ating corner lot here in Cutting Place 5, just drop your comment here or directly message me sa ating mga social media account na Kabalay or to my Viber and WhatsApp at 0962-526-2044. Yan Kabalay. Again, this is Kabalay. As always, choose your lifestyle, choose your home, choose Kabalay. See you here Kabalay sa Cutting Place 5, Bacoor, Cavite. And of course, see you on my next real estate video.